Hi, this is Zak Mir with the Crypto Risers here at Zak's Traders Cafe for Monday, the 12th of February. Starting off with Ordi, and here you can see this beautiful rising trend channel there from the end of November. We've had the trend line break, which was basically breaking that January resistance line there around the $60 mark, and above that looking for the top of the rising trend channel as high as $110 as soon as the end of next month. We've got a rising 50-day line there, and recent push through RSI 50, very healthy at the moment. So while we're above 60, looking for initially a retest of the $90 area maybe later this month, and then by the end of next month as high as $110. Moving along to another situation which looks to be on the front foot at the moment, Alethea, and here you can see a rising trend channel which I'm just about to draw at the moment. The floor of the channel there around the 2 cent mark, and the upper parallel of that heading reasonably higher up towards the 3.5 cent area. We've got a break of the 50-day moving average over the last few sessions around the 2 cent mark, and looking for 3 cents plus as soon as the end of this month, hoping to repeat the kind of rally that we had in the second half of November. Moving along to Bakery, and here we had the trend line break basically last week. We're looking to break the 50-day moving average, currently around 40 cents or just under 40 cents. Hopefully that'll go at the start of this week, and then we can head up to the top of that rising trend channel from the middle of December as high as 51 cents, hopefully as soon as the end of this month. Upside valid really while we're above the 35 cents area, although that may be a bit too tight for this kind of market. 32 cents is the floor of the rising trend channel. Next up is Centrifuge, and here we've got this little bull flag either side of the 50-day moving average. That's running around the 60 cents level. All of this means that we're in a rising trend channel which has been in place since basically October time, and we're looking for the extended support at the floor of that channel around 50 cents to power this market up towards the top of the rising trend channel from a few months back as high as 90 cents. Only 90 cents on the cards ideally by the end of next month, although it could be sooner than that. And in the meantime, we want to stay above neckline resistance around that 55 cents mark. I looked at Paal AI yesterday as part of the weekly winners, and it looks as though we're starting the new week in a decent mode as well. Beautiful rising trend channel there from back basically the end of September. Top of that channel heading currently as high as 28 cents, and we're looking for that hopefully by the end of this month. Ideally, we stay on the right side of the broken resistance there around 18 cents, but basically the break line there was 15 cents above 15, looking towards 30 over the next few weeks. Another market which made the grade in the weekly rises yesterday was Merit Circle, and this is making further progress today. We've got such a strong start of the week. We're looking for $3.50 by the end of this month, and it looks like it might be a bit sooner than that. And if we get through to $3.50 over the next week or two, then we might be able to upgrade the upside along the lines that I'm drawing at the moment. That would be up towards the $4.50 mark, maybe by the end of next month. But obviously this looks like a very fast-moving situation at the moment. The next contender here is Secret Network, and here you can see a solid break of the 50-day moving average. That's been around the 42 cent mark, and looking for progress within a rising trend channel here, top of the channel here, heading as high as 73 cents. We're looking for that by the end of next month. The floor of the channel running currently around the 37 cents area, so obviously that's the line in the sand in terms of the bull argument. The longer we stay above the 50-day line, the greater the chance of a move towards the low 70 cents area by the end of next month. A very interestingly named crypto coming up next, API 3, and here you can see this rising trend channel, sharp one from back in December. The crypto building up very nicely at the moment within this sort of triangle formation, the triangle breakout through $3.47, and above that we're looking for up to $6 as soon as the end of next month, backed by the very strong RSI pattern. We haven't had any dips for this below RSI 50 since the end of January, and that suggests that the breakout here, especially while we're above the $3 mark, will be quite strong, backed by the rising 50-day moving average. We looked at Beam as one of the rises of the previous week, and we can see now that this market has managed to break through recent neckline resistance around the 0.02 level, looking for this to get up towards the 3 cents level, and then maybe by the end of next month as high as the 5 cents level, which would be the upper parallel of the rising trend channel from back in September, October. But the key here is holding above recent neckline resistance around the 2 cents level. We've got a classic chart here with Image AI, and you can see we've broken both the 50-day moving average and the resistance line there from back in December around the 2 cents level. Looking for this market to head up as high as 5 cents, basically retesting the November peaks, which would be the top of that broadening triangle from back in November. Ideally, all the while, we stay on the right side of 2 cents, which is the trendline break level for this market. ATOR is next, and here you can see there's been a break of a rising 50-day moving average there at 86 cents. Above that, looking for the top of that rising trend channel from back in November around the $1.25 zone, which has been basically the resistance for this crypto since that time. Obviously, failure there back in January at that level. But the key here, holding above the 80 cents area in order to get that $1.25, ideally by the end of this month. Verasity, which looks quite strong after the hammer candle that we had over the weekend. We've got the market staying above the 50-day moving average around the 5 cents area, and above that looking for obviously a retest of the 8 cents area to give us a move by the end of February.